All right, so today I'm going to see if you can dye baby oil with oil pastels. I bought these at HomeSense, and we're going to open this up and see if we can dye some baby oil for tumblers with a pastel. And let's see, let's do this purple because I like purple. And we're going to just take a squeeze bottle, and I'm going to just shave off a little bit of this into this. All right, we're going to add some baby oil to that, and then we'll see if we can get that to dissolve. So I actually have to head out, so I'm going to leave this in a sunny window and see if we can warm it up a little bit and see if we can get that to dissolve. It looks like it might dissolve, but we'll wait till tomorrow and we'll see if it actually does dissolve. And I'll be back. Here's my oil pastel experiment. It is still sitting in the bottom of the squeeze bottle. It has not dyed the oil, maybe a little bit, but I would not call this a success. But I'm going to leave it in the sun for a while longer, see if I can get that to warm up. I could maybe heat the oil up, but I'm not going to go there. That sounds like a danger zone and wrecking a pot. But in case you guys were wondering, that didn't work overly well, and I will continue doing experiments. Thanks for watching.